Innalillahi wa inna ilaihi raji'un. Allahumma ajirni fi musibati. Hasbunallahu wa ni'mal wakeel. La ilaha illallah.
Go, go, go. Move on. Relax. Yeah. Move. Hey! Hey! Hey, everybody promote from that level. Hey! Go. I'll be fine.
Take am easy.
Okay, they want to go. We thank God that the long arm of the law have actually caught up with the offender. We say that the blood of the victim of crime is calling to the heaven and praying for vengeance. It is the responsibility of the police as well as the agency of the state to ensure that this vengeance is being carried out. And that's what court did this afternoon. So we appreciate court for such a judgment and look at the space of time in which we carried out this prosecution. It was actually diligent and consistent. And I equally appreciate you members of the media for your consistency. Your little effort have actually helped in the due conclusion of this case.
Take am easy.